Hey, Gadget Guru fam! Today, we're diving into the future with Samsung's top 5 phones of 2024. Whether you're into photography, gaming, or just need a reliable everyday device, we've got you covered. Ready to find your next phone? Let's go! First up, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. It's the ultimate flagship with a stunning 6.9-inch AMOLED display, a 200MP quad-camera system, and up to 1 terabyte of storage. Perfect for photography enthusiasts and power users, it's priced at around $1,399. The battery life averages around 10 to 12 hours of heavy use. But it's not all perfect. The S24 Ultra is quite bulky and heavy, making it less comfortable for one-handed use. Plus, the high price tag might not suit everyone. Next, we have the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus. With a 6.7-inch AMOLED display, a versatile triple-camera setup, and a powerful Exynos 2200 processor, it's great for both work and play. This one comes in at around $999, and the battery life is around 9 to 10 hours of heavy use. However, the S24 Plus lacks some of the premium features of the Ultra, like the 200MP camera, and the battery life could be better. For those who love innovation, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 is a game-changer. It features a 7.6-inch foldable display, excellent multitasking capabilities, and robust performance. Ideal for tech enthusiasts and multitaskers, it's priced at around $1,799. The battery life averages around 8 to 9 hours. On the downside, the Z Fold 4 is quite expensive and can be prone to durability issues, especially with the foldable screen. On a budget, the Samsung Galaxy A74 5G offers great value with its 6.5-inch Super AMOLED display, 108MP camera, and 5G connectivity. It's perfect for everyday use and light gaming, priced at around $499. The battery life is impressive at around 11 to 12 hours. However, the A74 5G lacks the premium build quality of higher-end models and has limited processing power for more demanding tasks. Lastly, the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE. It balances performance and affordability with a 6.4-inch AMOLED display, a solid triple-camera setup, and a Snapdragon 888 processor. Great for those who want flagship features without the flagship price. It's around $699. The battery life is around 10 hours. But the S24 FE doesn't have the same high-end features as the Ultra and Plus models, and the design is more basic. And there you have it, the top 5 Samsung phones of 2024. Whether you're looking for the latest flagship or a budget-friendly option, Samsung has something for everyone. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Gadget Guru, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews and tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.